Hello, we are Group 5 from AS1201E. This is our video presentations on Experiment 9 Hooke's Law. This is our group members, Esther, Fahirunisa, and Nora Zwaliza. The objective of this experiment is to verify the accuracy of Hooke's Law. The practice list. Helical steel spring with supporting stand and scale, set of loaded weights with hanger, laboratory balance. The theory. The procedure. The mass of the hanger and the mass of the spring was measured and recorded. The scale was adjusted so the point of the hanger was near the upper end of the scale when the hanger is unloaded. Its position was recorded as X0 and a table was prepared on the datasheet. The hanger was loaded by M, 50 gram. The scale reading of extension X was recorded. The load was increased by suitable increments as we need to obtain 8 data points before the lower end of the scale is reached. All the data was recorded. The process was reversed by unloading the same loads as in 3. S was recorded again for each load. The results. These are the results we required from the experiment. We use the 0 until 80 gram of weight. To find the average, we plus the first reading and the second reading and then we divide by 2. Here is the calculation for delta X. Here is calculation for changing to M. This is to calculate F in bracket N. These are the calculations we got based on the questions given on the lab manual. What is the gradient of the graph? These are the graph we plotted from the result of the experiment. The gradient is 0.527 nm. How much work done in stretching the spring through 0.05 meter? Find this from graph. This is the answer that we got. This is the result of the thorough calculation. How much energy is stored in the spring when it is extended to 0.05 meter? The energy stored in the same spring as the work done to stretch the spring is 0.000066 joule. Describe any errors that may have occurred during this experiment. During this experiment, we had reading error. Improper alignment with the measurement scale can cause inaccurate readings, but we fixed it. What can you describe from your result about the relationship between the extension of the spring and the force causing extension? The relationship allows us to predict how much a spring will stretch for a given force. It also enables us to measure forces by observing the extension of a calibrated spring. Conclusion. In conclusion, the experiment successfully verified the accuracy of Hooke's law. The result of demonstrated a linear relationship between the applied force and the extension of the spring, consistent with the law's principle that extension is directly proportional to force within the elastic time limit of the material. Thank you for watching.